Welcome everybody, Marcus Stone here. In this video, you will learn how you can easily add a text in your Snapchat. So let's start. I'm going to make a photo of my mat here, a yoga mat. And now I'm going to click here on text. And when I'm click on text, you have options. First, you can change the color of your text. Let's say that I want to make it blue. And let's just write here text, or no. Yeah, and you have options then to make it big, label it, to make it like subtitles, to make it glow. I really like glow. And I can make it like blue here. So now when I have it, I can make it even bigger. What I always recommend, and which is like really good, use with the text also stickers. So when you click here on stickers, you have options to use whatever you want, and you have like many of them here. And use a sticker also with the text if you would like. Like I'm woke today, you know, it's like perfect. And then just delete it if you want. And when you're gonna click here text, you can also edit it. Yoga mat. Okay. And you can make it to middle to left, or you can also add some person here if you would like to add. So yoga mat, and this is how you actually add text in Snapchat. It's quite simple. So thank you very much everybody for watching. If you enjoyed this video, you can support and subscribe. You know how it goes. I'll be really thankful. Thank you, have a great day, and see ya. Goodbye.